Good morning, class 4. Children, today I am going to start chapter number 7. And the name of the chapter is A Day with Lali. So, first come to exercise number 1. What you have to do in exercise number 1. In exercise number 1, this is a reading activity. Okay. So, in this chapter, we will understand the meaning of enough, too many, and too much. Where we use enough, where we use too many, and where we use too much. So first, enough. What is the meaning of enough? Enough means as much or as many you required, जितना हमें चाहिए. Too many, we use too many for countable things like pencil, rubber, like copy, book, and for too much we use for uncountable things which we can't count, like water, air, oil, sugar, rice. Okay, so this is the reading activity, simple reading activity. Okay, like number 1, there are not enough books on the shelf. मतलब जितना हमें चाहिए उतना बुक सेल्फ पे नहीं है. There are enough books on the shelf. जितना बुक हमें चाहिए उतना सेल्फ पे है. There are too many books on the shelf. As you are getting, there are too many books on the shelf. And why we have used too many? Because books are countable. There is not enough water in the glass. There is enough water in the glass. And there is too much water in the glass. Many is wrong here, okay? There should be much. There is too much water in the glass. I hope it is clear. Number 2, you don't have to do in copy. Now come to exercise number 3. Add too many or too much. Look, she has blank books. She cannot carry them. Here is books. Books is countable. So what we will use, many or much? We will use many. Look, she has too many books. She cannot carry them. He has blank milk. He cannot drink it. Milk is not countable. He has too much milk. He cannot drink it. That bus has blank passengers. They cannot sit down. That bus has too many passengers. They cannot sit down. We have blank cats. Would you like to have one? We have too many cats. Would you like to have one? There is blank ink in my pen. Ink. It is not countable. So what you will write? There is too much ink in my pen. So children, for chapter number 7, number 3 you have to do in copy. Now come to number 6. This one also you have to do in copy. How you have to do? Please listen to me carefully. First, you will write number 6, and for this you have to make only 10 sentences. First, you will draw this table. Okay. Now you have to make meaningful sentences. Okay. First, where we use have. We use have with present tense. Present means जो अभी हो रहा है. We use shall have to with future, जो future में होगा, आगे होगा. And had, जो past में हो चुका है. Okay? Have present, shall have future, had past. Now you will make meaningful sentences. I have to help my mother now. Okay? Here it is now. I have to help my mother. 1 minute, sorry. Now. मतलब अभी. That's why we are using have to. I have to help my mother today. You can write today also. I have to help my mother immediately. मतलब अभी help करूँगा मैं. So have to is used with present. Now come to next. I shall have to help my mother tomorrow. Tomorrow means we are talking about future. So we are using shall have to. I shall have to help my mother tomorrow. I shall have to help my mother next week. I shall have to do some work next week. Okay. I shall have to do some work soon. So when we are saying tomorrow, next week or soon, we are using shall have to because we are talking about future. Now come to next. I had to go to Mumbai yesterday. Yesterday means the day which has already been passed. I had to go to Mumbai last week. I had to go to Mumbai a few days ago. So you, for number 6, you have to make 10 sentences. First you will draw this box, then you will make 10 sentences. Okay. Now come to workbook. In workbook, you have to do in book only. It is very clear. Now first one, clothes and wardrobe. There is one picture given. It is wardrobe given, clothes is given. You have to make sentence using not enough, too much or too many. Okay, like in this, as you are getting, all the clothes are coming out from the wardrobe. So the sentence is there are too many clothes in the wardrobe. मतलब wardrobe में बहुत ज़्यादा clothes है. Number 2, there is too much water in the bucket. As you're getting, water is coming down from the bucket. There are, in the plate you are also getting, there are too many apples. So you will write there are too many apples in the plate. Now in number 4, as you're getting, there is only 3 wheels of the car. But we know to run the car we need 4 wheels. Okay, there are not enough wheels in the car. In the same way you have to make the sentences like this. Okay, so workbook you have to do page 17 and page 18 in the book only. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.